Hello traders, today is Monday. I'm going to cover a topic which is not really discussed about is what happens after a losing trade. Psychologically, what do we do? It affects us. I think it's an important topic. It's not discussed enough. I have a fresh chart, nothing on the chart. I'm going to add a few of the day trade to win indicators, the trade scalper, the Sonic, very important, the at the open, the blueprint. All of these indicators are included with accelerated mentorship. And now we can see the signals on the chart. And it's looking pretty good here at 11 o'clock. I see here a few long signals already to the upside, which makes me feel pretty good about going long. So I know the direction that I want to take the market, but I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for the very next signal to enter long. I'm going to follow the software as it tells me. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. I'm going to speed this up here a little bit. I'm going to save some time because really what I want to explain to you and show you how a perfect setup, a perfect trade occurs, and then what happens after when it doesn't go the right way and how do we handle that. So this is what I did today. I have confirmation that this is a good long signal because the previous signals were all long. So the health of the trend is on my side. Something else I want to mention, the longer a trade stays against you or negative, the worse off it is. The trade may not work out. Unlike the good trades, the ones that immediately go in your favor, those are almost always going to be winning trades. So just something to consider. You can see how long it's staying under where I entered, and then I finally got stopped out. Now I know it's difficult, but keep your stops. Don't move your stops. Now the next part comes into play. What do? I wait for the next trade. It could be a short trade. Maybe the market's reversing. But in this case, it didn't. The market gave me one, gave me two, and now I can see that this was just a very large pullback. And so now we have the market continuing back up, and we have a signal here to go long 74.41. This is a blueprint signal. And so now I have to make a decision. I have two long orders followed by a third, which is higher. So I need to recover from this trade, and so I'm going to re-enter into the market because I have this long signal. Remember, the previous trade just barely stopped me out. I have a target, and so I want to recover, maybe make a little bit extra, and then make a decision whether I want to continue for the day. So this is really important. A few things I want to point out. As soon as I entered into this trade, the market is actually moving in my favor. I mentioned earlier that typically when a trade is a positive or a good trade, it almost always goes immediately in your favor. It doesn't flounder around, it doesn't go down, it doesn't know what to do. It's actually understanding and moving in my direction. Now I have another signal. This is a blueprint signal to go long. So this is backup or confirmation that tells me that I'm on the right track. You could enter into this trade, and now we have another signal. This is a trade scalper signal, also more confirmation that I'm doing the right thing. I still have a stop because who knows, the market could go down. But because I have two signals and the market is continuing to stay above where I entered, I'm in profit territory, this leads me to believe that this is a good recovery trade. Now, if it's taking too long, if the market's not hitting my target, obviously close the position. 15 to 20 minutes is what I typically recommend. It's still continuing higher, it's not reversing. So I'm still looking at this as a good recovery. Hit the target by itself. We just have to be careful here because it could now reverse. Give one more try to break through that. All right, hit the target. I'm out of the trade. This is how we recover from a losing trade. You could see it just barely got stopped out on the previous trade, unfortunately, but a good recovery. And there's a new long here, 74.46 quarter. It's all actually working out where I can take now another trade and still be ahead some more. I already recovered and made more than what I did and lost on the previous trade. Now it's just going to be adding to it. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join up for accelerated mentorship, and I'll see everyone at the next video. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView.